Hey, how's it going, everybody? Philly P here, and I'm at the AVI in Laughlin checking out the fireworks. So they got never seen this, buy two, get two, $79.99. Now I'm gonna ask them if you can mix and match them, but that's 25 bucks a pop. Oh no, $20 a pop. So strip crazy for 70 bucks, $74. Lit AF. So I'm not too familiar with the big brand. They got a lot of big product here, 70 bucks. But yeah, I'm gonna see how if they can mix and match this. Yeah, you can. So it says right here. So yeah, for $20 each, let's see how they look. Some of them more. 500-gram cakes. Dream On. Sin City. I don't see a price on that. It might be on the other side. Make It Rain. These are single prices though. $159. So that's $199. 10 shot. The Liquid Sunshine. Sonic Boom is $70. All right. There's a lot of people in here. People are going crazy actually. They got alcohol in here. So it's like a little convenience store. They got no abs. $169 from Biggs Mac Jester. Also price on that. $199. Rock the Skies. $199. Nice. Let's go check out their canisters. They had some unique stuff that I've never seen. Certified Black Label. Neon Shells $189. These are single prices. Those are $189. Goldzilla $159. HD shells. HD just HD should come out here and get these just because of the name. $189. Pro shells over there. Mix and match. Buy one get one free. $49. So 25 each. I don't have tax here like Mawapa. Again, shells that I've never seen before. Premium artillery for 20 bucks. Not bad. Not bad at all. $15 for some festival balls. Not bad at all. Bowl of cherries. It's a little up there. Big Crackle from Big Fireworks. I'm hoping they have a crackling silver dragon, and they do. So either way, I'm picking these up. I don't even care what they cost. These are my favorite fountain, you guys. Let's see how much they cost. But I'm gonna get them. They got the unicorn for 20. Oh, they got the Big John for $30.99. The little novelties over here. Magic crystals. Those are $17 for a box. Eee, sheesh. I wonder how much the ground balloons are. Probably be on the other side. They got the cones. I wonder how much these are, like little spinners. Buzz Killer. I'm pretty sure that's these. $5 a pack. So yeah, even the prices, they were impacted too. I wonder how much the red balls are. Death Wish assortment. I think these are canisters. These are the 200 grams. This is gone. Party Slayer must have been popular. Red, white, and bang for 20 bucks. So yeah, you guys can see prices. So hold on, they got a mix and match here for $49. Buy two, get one free. So for 50 bucks, you get three of them. Volcano. I'm gonna go see how much that Silver Dragon is. I mean, honestly, I don't like to pay more than $10, but that was back in the day, so I'm willing to pay like 15 for one of them. Let's see how much that costs. M70s for $5.99. I don't know. Oh, these are just little poppers. 100 shot Saturn missiles. That's these ones. I thought it was these for $10. I was about to get all pumped up. Some Roman candles. Here we go. Where's that king? So that's these right here for $12.99. They got Barrage Candles. 22 bucks. This is $69 for this. Oh, it's a lot of them though. I'm not gonna kid you, but 5 or 10 shotters. 189 for the party pack. And then they got the Pyro shells. It's cool. Reminds me a lot of Fully Loaded. A little more spread out. But yeah, you guys. This is the AVI over in Laughlin. I drove all the way out here. Check out some stuff. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And as always, light up that like button. These big bombs are $20 a pack. Eee. Oh, I thought it was 2 for 20. Neon rockets for 22. King Cobra rockets. All right, guys. Signing out. I'll let you guys know in the detail. I'll let you guys know in the description how much this crackling silver dragon is. This is a solid fountain.